Hey fam, so this is our look for today. I call it the Royally Fire look. It is super cute, super fun. I got a lot of compliments when I was out wearing this yesterday. And it was really easy because I only used one palette throughout this whole look. And it was really quick to do. So let's get started. So first, we're going to be taking BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. We're going to be using that yellow. And we're going to blend it right into above the crease of the eye. Just to save some time, I'm going to fast forward through this part and as well as skip me doing the next eye, but just do the exact same thing as I'm doing on this eye to your other eye. And next, we're going to be using Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C2. And we're going to be using it to kind of make a slight cut crease. I normally do not use it like this, but I'm almost out, so I decided to go, hey, why not? So yeah, normally I take a regular brush and I do it, but I'm using what came with the product. And I'm going to skip past doing the other eye just to save some time as well. But just do the same thing on the other eye and follow the crease of your eye. Your eye crease may be different than mine, so you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. Next, we're going to be taking that yellow and we're going to be putting it right on where we put the Makeup Revolution concealer. And for majority of this look, I'm going to be skipping showing the other eye. Okay, so next we're going to be taking from the BH Cosmetics palette this like light orange, I guess you could say. And right where we stopped putting the concealer, you're going to blend that right in, right there. Okay, and now we're going to be taking that burnt orangey light color and we're going to go right on top of where we put the lighter orange, and we're just going to blend that all the way out to the edge of your eye. And now we're going to be taking some eyeliner. I'm using my Eyeko eyeliner as normal. And I'm making a super big winged eyeliner look. And I'll fast forward through the second eye so you can kind of see how I do the eyeliner, because I know sometimes doing a winged eyeliner it's super difficult. So I'll fast forward through it so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing a little bit. If you guys want to see a detailed version of how I do my winged eyeliner, because I tend to do it differently sometimes, I could do that. So to pull the look together, I'm going to be using my Tarte Maneater mascara. As you see, I don't always take and put on eyelashes because I don't like exuding that much energy a lot of the time. So I just wanted to use mascara to bring the look together. But if you want to use eyelashes, you can do so too. I'm pretty sure it'd be extra cute as well. So just do whatever makes you feel comfortable. And I'm skipping my face as well, so I'll let you guys just see the final product. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely adore this look. It's so cute, like you don't understand. I would wear this over and over again. I really want to see you guys try and replicate this look, so tag me on Instagram if you try it so I can see what happens. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Have a great weekend.